Hello everyone! Happy holiday! Welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for watching my video every single day. It means a lot to me if you can also subscribe my YouTube channel and turn on the notification bell. Alright, today's videos we're going to do a very highly requested video. I'm getting a lot of people message me since last time I did the Lancome beauty box video a couple of weeks ago, and you guys want to see the Estee Lauder. Guess what? I finally got my hand to this box, and this is worth what? $550, and we have some really amazing news I want to share with you guys. Let's get started today's video. Okay, before we start today's video, I want to introduce you my own skincare brand, Yibu Beauty. For everyone that who already purchased Yibu Beauty in the last couple months, it means so much to me. You don't even understand. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And right now, this is our first Christmas, and I want to share with you two amazing holiday sets we have available for you and to share with you and your friends. The number one set I want to share with you, it is our 3-piece glow bundle. In this 3-piece, you will get a full-size multitasking moisturizer, multitasking serum, and our brand new product, Rose Quartz Roller. Together, they are $104. For this Christmas, we'll offer you at $59. Plus, we also offer 4 inches free installment of a $14.75. What are you waiting for? This is the best set for anyone who want to have that beautiful radiant looking skin. Next set I want to share with you is my personal favorite. It is our 4-piece dream bundle. This you will get 4 full-size products. Begin with multitasking serum, gently exfoliate the skin, multitasking moisturizer to hydrate the skin, multitasking tinted moisturizer, more skincare that make up even your skin tone. Plus, you will get brand new product from Yibu Beauty, Rose Quartz Roller. Those value add up together is $133, but you only pay $79. And we also offer 4 inches free installment of a $19.75. You can choose the light to medium kit or medium to dark kit. I want to say thank you so much for your support of Yibu Beauty. It means a lot to me if you can also follow Yibu Beauty Facebook and Instagram. Okay, let's get into today's topic, Estee Lauder Beauty Box. Every year, Lauder, Lancome, like all these big cosmetic companies, they have their best value sets. In the past, they called it Blockbuster, and now they just call Beauty Box or Travel Deluxe Travel Kits. They have a different name right now. So this one right here, if you look at the box right here, it says right here, it's a $75 with any $45 Estee Lauder purchase, value at $555. A couple of years ago, they were very strict on this type of Blockbuster set. They always say you have to buy fragrances, then you can buy this. But now they changed with any product. But guess what? I'm looking at the website right now. 29 Beauty Essential. That's what this product called, right? This is on Estee Lauder's website right now. It's a $75 with any purchase. So that means you don't need to spend $45. You can just buy an eyeliner. You can buy this. So this is a really great opportunity if you want to get this. And let's open this up and see if this is worth the money, okay? Are you guys ready to see it? Ta-da! It comes with a pretty decent travel box, you know, travel pouch. I mean, it's not that fancy. Just, you know, honestly, I don't even think people use this, but it has a really cute. So what Estee Lauder did a little bit different than Lancome is you have options. In turn, it's picking the skincare product in here. You can either pick the Resilient Multi-Effect Treatment or Revitalizing Supreme. The biggest difference is the Revitalizing Supreme is more for anti-aging. Resilient Multi-Effect is more for preventative. So you can pick and choose which one do you like. So I think I like that. I like that right now. Currently on the website, the Resilient Multi-Effect has already sold out, but you can choose Supreme You can choose the Supreme Revitalizing Supreme. Oh my god, so hard to say all this thing. So I'm gonna open this here right now. So when you open it, it looks like this. So in here, you receive a 9 full-size products plus 3 travel sizes. So let's take a look right now. You will get, oh my god, this is actually pretty cool. You will get 2 eyeshadow palettes, 2 lipstick, eye makeup remover, mascara. Then you get their most iconic product, Advanced Night Repair Serum and Advanced Night Repair Eye Treatment. And then you get their travel size on both products, plus the moisturizer for face. That is the travel size. Okay, got it. So okay, this kit's $75 and the value up to $555. If you don't believe me, you have to believe me. This is the 1 ounce bottle in here, right? This alone is $75. That's why I think for the value wise, this is a fantastic value if you want to try the skincare from Estee Lauder. I know in the past people think Estee Lauder is for my grandma, for my mom, but I gotta tell you, you know, skincare evolves. You know, every brand is like that. Even though they've been in the business for a long time, but they evolve, they create product, not just for older people, it's anybody can use basically. So you need to not think about that's for my mom. Okay, I mean it's not like that anymore at all. And let's talk about the Advanced Night Repair Serum. This baby right here has been with Lauder for Jesus 20-30 years now, but of course a couple years they will upgrade the ingredient, become more advanced technology, and it's really great. And this is the #1 serum for Estee Lauder, and it's their iconic product. 1 dropper, that's really cool. 1 dropper is, let me show you this right now. 1 dropper, you put it right here. See that? In this amount on the skin, that's about quarter size, okay? Your skin will look radiant, plump, with hydration all the way through the morning. So this is perfect for nighttime to use. Offer 8-hour antioxidant power, it meaning protect your skin from outside damage. 72-hour hydration, including hyaluronic acid. I don't know how that works because anytime when I say that, is you can't just apply this and not do anything for 3 days or 2 days, right? So you still need to apply your skincare. So I think this is very misleading part when it says 72-hour hydrations. It doesn't mean you don't need to put skincare anymore. Just make sure that. It strengthens skin barrier in just 4 hours. So it protects your skin layer, because what happens is that underneath the skin have different skin cells, and they will be damaged from outside source or inside source. And then your skin cells will kind of collapse, right? And then when you put this on, it will plump the individual cells, so they'll be tighter, stronger, so it becomes a barrier, so it can force outside out, keep inside in, and it's oil-free texture. And in 3 weeks, your lines and wrinkle appear reduced, and 88% of women say skin looks more youthful. Wow. 1 bottle, skin feel firmer. 89% of women agree. Skin look healthy, has a new bounce and vitality, plus over time, pores look diminished. So it is the #1 serum for Estee Lauder. It says right here, #1 serum in the US. That's kind of big claim, but anyway. So yeah, so this is really great. It is a really good night treatment. So it also comes with the eye cream, eye serum. Let me show you here right now. Hold please. So this one, in the box, it is their ½ ounce. It's a retail for $66. And this is the eye treatment. Let's see what this one do. I've been using this for a while now. Let me tell you about this, and I'll tell you how I feel about this. Okay. So this right here, the benefit is to repair, brightening the dark circle. Repair, brightening dark circle, hydrate, and prevent. So it's kind of like a multivitamin for your eye area, because in our eyes, the common problem we have is puffiness, dark circle, lines of wrinkle, and dehydration. So these things I do everything for you. And let's see here. So this one don't have that one drop statement. I mean, that's a very powerful statement, but it says right here, brightening dark circle in 3 weeks. A lot of people always ask me that, when do I use the product? Well, this is the trick right here. If they tell you this help you reduce dark circle and brightening the eye area, you want to use it in the daytime because that's the time you want to look brighter. I mean, unless you are working at night shift. So yeah, so that's how you look at the description, say, and then you can follow them. That's how you want to do it. And then there's a resilient moisturizer. Let's look at this moisturizer right now. Hold on. I have not actually. I tried the moisturizer before. I didn't really careful for that because the texture seems very thick for me. So in the package, the resilient multi-effect moisturizer SPF 15 is 1 ounce, is $64. So between the 3 products, it's way over $100. Like I say, it's really, really great deal. It also contains their advanced triple peptide complex, so help the skin to amplify collagen by 124% in 3 days. So I want to talk about this. Anytime when the skincare, this is my experience, when a company say this product will plump the skin, especially work on the collagens, typically those products, when you apply on the skin, you will feel like less hydration. It will feel a little bit drier because they're going deeper to plump the skin. And when your skin plump, will be tighter. When skin tighter, you will feel a little bit drier. Does that make sense? So keep in mind that. If you simply just very dry skin, you do not want to use anything like this. You want to find product that targeted for hydrations. That's the difference. So again, anytime you have an anti-aging product, you will not feel as hydrated when you use just hydration product because they do different things. So I want to let you know that. And I'm not going to focus on the makeup. Makeup is the makeup. I don't really care for the makeup. And plus, I got to tell you, the makeup here is not really their standard makeup packaging. And they are very, very tiny. You can see that. I mean, they are cute. They have the bronze. Let me show you guys here. So here are the bronze colors, right? And then this is the warmer toned. So it's more your mauve, blue, deeper colors. So for 1 for day, 1 for night. I mean, it's cute, it's good for travel. But again, even though these are the full size, but they are not the original size that what you can purchase in the store. 2 lipstick, one is neutral brownish colors. Again, these are the holiday collection, so it's not really what you usually buy in the store. So I just want to share that. This one, let's see, it's more red. Like I said, anytime during the holiday when you buy any gift sets, if it is a lipstick, they usually is more holiday color that's more reddish undertone. So you also get a full-size eye makeup remover, mascara. So yeah, I mean that's what this kit is. So I definitely think that this is really great that if you want to try Estee Lauder. So I want to share this with you. Let me know if you want me to do a comparison for the Estee Lauder the Blockbuster sets versus the Lancomes and see how do I recommend which one to pick and choose. Okay, and I do want to let you know, if you ask me, is this worth the money? Hell yeah. I mean, seriously, especially now with any purchase. I mean, you can literally just buy a lipstick or eyeliner and get this for $75 and you're getting like a $550 value. Oh my god. And then if you want to buy this as a gift but you are short on money, I will recommend you break this apart. But I will probably go to like a Michael's or a dollar store, get a really nice cute box and package it yourself a little bit and then get it as a gift so it looks more special. I mean, we gotta be creative now in this day, right, to make it something special for your loved one. Alright, thank you so much for watching my video today, and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye!